Hi, my name is Annica in the EXPED USA repair shop, here to give you a behind-the-scenes look at how to fix a tear on a MegaMat. MegaMats come with our standard repair kit featuring the EXPED textile glue. However, in this behind-the-scenes look, we'll be utilizing the UV curing glue from our field repair kit, as well as seam grip plus WP. We'll also be using an applicator to apply the seam grip. This MegaMat has a 3-inch tear on the stretch tricot fabric. Due to the nature of this tear, we will be repairing it in increments, starting with the area that is most intact. Utilizing the UV glue, we will apply it to the first inch, allowing it a chance to soak into the fabric before using the UV light. Up to about 30 seconds. In the shop, we have an industrial size UV light, but any UV light will work, including the UV light keychain found in the field repair kit. The UV light is about 30 seconds to a minute to cure the glue. Now we'll go into the second section. And the final section. Once the entire area has been repaired, this is a great time to stop, inflate the mat, and double check it for any leaks. Simply inflate it, put your hand over it, and see if you feel any air. If you do feel some air, take the UV glue and apply another thin layer over the top. If you don't feel any air, then we can proceed on to the next step utilizing the seam grip plus WP. For the final step, in the repair shop, we use a silicone applicator, but any tool that is silicone, metal, or even a wooden chopstick will work when applying seam grip plus WP. Simply apply the seam grip onto the applicator, and going about a 1/4 inch beyond the UV glue, apply the glue as needed. Once you've coated the entire repair, swirl the applicator over the glue to help provide an even distribution. From here, we'll simply let it sit for 5 to 8 hours to dry and cure. In this particular case, we're not going to be applying any kind of patch over this, as it is ready to go once dried and cured. but you can add an optional patch for improved aesthetics and abrasion resistance if you should choose. Hope this information helps in your MegaMat tear repair. Enjoy your adventures and sleep sweet.